is a high degree of risk involved in trading cryptocurrencies. Our thoughts and ideas are for entertainment purposes only. Please consult your personal advisor or do your own research. Past results are not indicative of future returns. Thank you.
Good afternoon. Monday, April 30th. Another Bitcoin update and various other cryptocurrencies. Not much has really gone on again. Still kind of following the pattern we was expecting. Here's the 4-hour Bitcoin in front of you. And you can see here we're trying to finish some type of A up and then a pullback and then on up to 12,000 or so on Bitcoin. So let's zero in a little bit more. Let's go to a 30-minute. I do have some volume down at the bottom I'm going to talk about in a little bit. But we had talked about off of this the third wave high of having an A down and then a B up and then probably a C down to support at this 8,500, worst case down to 7,700. So far we have continued to work higher. Impressed by the strength here. I mean, we could be working on some type of triangle up here. So the fourth wave would be ending here, or maybe still come down and do a little bit below 9,000, 88.75 for a C of a triangle. Not sure I am impressed the way they're holding. I said surprises would be to the upside. So surprise could be the upside here, that we don't have much of a correction. We just keep moving higher. So we're going to give it room to do that. We've got Bitcoin Cash, 1389. Same thing there, maybe working on a high-level triangle. Dash, same type of thing. Classic, stronger and acting very well. Ethereum, 679. Same thing, we was talking about a breakdown of the 600 again. Before higher, but so far so good. Litecoin, a little weaker than we want, but still nothing, no problems yet. Neo did firm up and go up to run to above 96, so that was some strength out of nowhere. Some good volume down here. Same thing we talked about. You know, it'd been easy to trade out of this down here 74 or so, looking for that pullback, and then here we are up at 85.35 after doing a 96. So ninth strength and Neo. OMG spiked to 22. Now just continuing to correct that. XRP sideways here. Not acting too bad. ADA. It firmed up to above 38. So once again, continuing higher like some of these, surprising to the upside. EOS had a quick run to 23, now back to 18.25. Probably need to buy that on some type of pullback if we can get something a little further down. We've got XLM. The usuals here we've been watching. Went to a new high and holding well. Like the way that one's acting. Then XVG, we'd said we thought would hold here and come alive to a rally to 85, I think was the number I was throwing. So here we are at 81. So he's correct on XVG. Good rally into these highs and into the report. Took a lot of people out. I'm sure this spring here took a lot of people out. We tested it nicely on low volume, and then today we have a big rally, 15.72%. So I think this one continues to work higher. We got Zen at 41. Went to new high at 44, so once again acting very well. ZRX goes to 132, and same thing, surprises to the upside. If you look at our pulse of the market crypto software, it also kind of backs up the Bitcoin triangle theory up here for fourth wave, because you can see down here on the OP, we had a slight sell-off in the volume as Bitcoin had the sell-off from 98 to 87. And then you can see volume goes to a new high. Bitcoin doesn't. And then we have a little pullback ABC, and then once again, volume goes to a new high. Bitcoin doesn't. And then we've had an ABC pullback in Bitcoin, and the volume still holds. So it's kind of showing that volume is staying strong. The price isn't really giving up much. So it does kind of make me think that we're working on a sideways movement here. I would love to see a little bit more pullback in the OP and have price hold again. Then I think I'd be telling you that the triangle is putting in maybe the C wave. But either way, I just think a pullback here in Bitcoin is still going to be another chance to buy on the way to 12,000. So that's all for now. We got a few other coins here we're going to be watching. And Encash, I saw today up 11%, back near the highs. So we'll be back here in about 3 hours with Hitman Hellman to do our 6:30 Central Standard Time usual broadcast. Thank you.
Are you trading or investing in the fast-moving and exciting cryptocurrency markets? If so, you need to learn how to identify primary trading opportunities by implementing the Wyckoff trading methods, which was created by world-renowned stock speculator Richard D. Wyckoff. This online course teaches all you need to know to increase your returns while minimizing your risk using the Wyckoff trading method. Over 915 students have enrolled in the course since its launch in late 2017. LearnCrypto.io is owned and operated by Wyckoff SMI, also known as Wyckoff Stock Market Institute, which has been an authority on the Wyckoff trading method for over 85 years. Founded by Richard Wyckoff in the 1930s, Wyckoff Stock Market Institute has owned the rights of the Wyckoff trading course since the beginning. Take advantage today of this excellent course and begin reaping the rewards of a time-tested method from the grandfather of technical analysis, Richard D. Wyckoff.